The I-829 petition, the final step for many EB-5 immigrant investors, has unfortunately become synonymous with protracted processing times. As U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services grapples with backlogs, applicants often find themselves relying on crucial extension notices to maintain their conditional permanent resident status. Navigating life under these extensions requires careful attention to regulatory details and proactive planning. Understanding the I-829 extension process. When the standard 24-month extension period approaches its end, applicants must file Form I-829, Supplement E, to request an additional extension. This extension is vital because failure to file on time can jeopardize the entire green card application. Automatic extension of status. The key benefit of filing the extension application on time is the automatic extension of status. USCIS policy dictates that if the I-829 extension is filed before the current conditional residency expires, the applicant's status is automatically extended for a specified period, typically 48 months, pending the adjudication of the new petition. The receipt notice serves as the primary evidence of this automatic extension. This notice must be kept safe and presented alongside the original I-526 I-829 approval notice when traveling or proving status domestically. The extension period allows the applicant more time to demonstrate that the required capital investment has been sustained and that the requisite jobs have been created or retained. Challenges of prolonged processing. Extended processing times introduce significant uncertainty into the lives of EB-5 investors and their families. The inability to secure a final decision can impact various aspects of life in the United States. Travel restrictions and documentation. One of the most immediate concerns is international travel. Without an approved I-829, applicants rely solely on the I-797C receipt notice for proof of status. While technically sufficient for re-entry, border agents may require additional documentation or clarification. It is strongly recommended that applicants carry a comprehensive packet of supporting documents, including passport copies, the original conditional approval notice, and the current I-797C extension receipt notice when traveling internationally. Impact on employment and business operations. While the automatic extension allows the primary investor to continue working, the uncertainty can affect business planning. Furthermore, dependents who are awaiting their own status adjustments may face difficulties proving their status for employment or educational purposes if the documentation is unclear. Strategies for managing delays. Monitor processing times. Regularly check the USCIS official processing time reports for the I-829 category and compare them against the date on the I-797C receipt notice. Inquire about case status. If processing times significantly exceed published estimates, consider submitting an official service request to USCIS. Maintain robust records. Ensure that all documentation related to job creation, capital maintenance, and the initial investment remains current and easily accessible for future scrutiny. Consult legal counsel. Seek advice from an experienced immigration attorney regarding any specific documentation needs, especially concerning travel or complex financial situations arising during the extension period. Conclusion. The current processing landscape for the I-829 petition necessitates patience and meticulous record-keeping. The C4.3 framework, while designed to provide a path to permanent residency, is currently characterized by extended adjudication periods enforced through automatic extension notices. Investors must treat the I-797C extension receipt as their most critical document, ensuring its validity is never in question while awaiting the final adjudication of their sustained investment.